Hi, scientists. So this is the answer key to the speed word problems practice. So if you got some wrong on the form, this is to help you figure out where and why. So we're going to go through all these questions as quickly as we can. Miss Sackett ran the 100-meter dash in 20 seconds. Miss Griffin-Boyle ran the 100-meter dash in 17 seconds. So first we're going to find Miss Sackett's speed. So I know that I need to write speed equals distance divided by time. I know that Miss Sackett's distance was 100 meters, and I know that because meters is a distance. So I take 100 meters divided by her time, which is 20 seconds, and I know that that was her time because seconds is a time. Distance divided by time, 100 divided by 20 equals 5, and then I need to have my unit. So remember, with your unit, it's already in your problem. Meters per second. Meters per second. So I know Miss Sackett's speed was 5 meters per second. For me, same thing. Speed equals distance divided by time. My distance is 100 meters divided by my time of 17 seconds equals 100 divided by 17, 5.88. And then for my unit again, in my problem, meters per second. So using the words distance and time, explain who won the race. So hopefully you have something going along the line of Miss Griffin-Boyle won because she went the same distance. Remember, we both went 100 meters in a shorter time. I did it in 17 seconds. Miss Sackett only did it in 20 seconds. This is a lot like wave speed if you remember those conversations. Number 2, in the 2008 Summer Olympics, Michael Phelps won gold in the 200-meter freestyle. In the 200-meter freestyle, every 50 meters, you change your swimming stroke. So that's why they're all here. We need to find the average speed. From your Edpuzzle video that went with your text packet on pages 9 and 10, in order to find the average speed, we add up all the distances, we add up all the times, and then we do distance divided by time. Average speed is total distance divided by total time is your average speed. So total distance. He has 50 meters 4 times. So 50 4 times. Divided by, now I take all of my seconds. 24.31 plus so if I do that, all these 50s are going to give me 200 meters. Divided by, now I add up all of my times. I have 102.96 seconds. So now I can do my distance divided by time. 200 divided by 102.96 equals 1.94. And again, for my unit, it's right in my problem. So my speed unit is meters per second. So he had an average speed of 1.94 meters per second. Miss Young walked her dog 1 mile in 20 minutes. What was her speed? Speed equals distance divided by time. Her distance was 1 mile. Her time was 20 minutes. So if I turn that 1 divided by 20, I get 0.05 miles per minute. And all I have to do for that unit is take this and transfer it over there. All right. Then we had 4, 5, and 6. And number 4, Mr. Thompson is skipping. Seems like something he'd do. So he is going to skip 150 meters. And he's going to do 25 seconds. So I need to figure out his speed first. So speed equals distance divided by time. His distance is 150 meters. divided by his time of 25 seconds gives us a speed of 6, and I need my unit of meters per second. So now, how long did it take him to go 6 meters? Well, remember, this per right here, this little fraction line, this per means in 1. So we can read this as 6 meters in 1 second. So how long did it take him to go 6 meters? It took him 1 second to do that. How far did he go in 1 second? 6 meters in 1 second. So he only went 6 meters in that 1 second. Miss Haas is going for a hike, 6 kilometers in 120 minutes. So speed equals distance divided by time. So I know that kilometers is a distance. So 6 kilometers divided by minutes is a time. So 120 minutes. I take 6 divided by 120 for a total, again, of 0.05. Wonder if that threw any of you off because it's a weird number and it happened twice. My unit, kilometers per minute. Kilometers per minute, which is, we learned up in here, 0.05 kilometers in 1 minute. Then Miss Camper Shower is going for a bike ride. Speed equals distance divided by time. For distance is miles, so 15 miles, divided by her time of 60 minutes. Gives us 15 divided by 60, 0.25, and then I need a unit, 0.25 what? And that I take from here, transfer it over, miles per minute. All right, hopefully that helped you figure out your mistakes if you made any on your form. Talk to you soon.